What's up, traders? It's your boy Gideon, officially known as BBC Trader. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Yes. Guys, I must tell you this, guys. People are really making money from Forex trading. They are really cashing out from Forex trading. And the worst part of it is that me and you can be part of this game. Yes, me and you can be part of this game. So guys, I want to tell you about one important thing people are using to make money in this market, or we can also call it a strategy. So today's topic is how to make money with key level in the market. How to make money with key level in the chart of Forex trading market. I know you guys may be confused. What is a key level? What is a key level? What is this person trying to say? What is Gideon trying to say? So the question here now is, what is a key level in the Forex market? What is a key level? So what is key level? It is an area where price rejects and forms new trend or direction. It is an area where price rejects and forms new trend or direction. Take note of this. Yeah, for those who are new in trading, for those people that are just new in trading, key level can also be known as support and resistance, where price goes up, like it goes up and come down. When it goes up, it come down. The support and resistance, and significant price on Forex charts where traders expect a reaction. Yes, a reaction. This level represents areas where price of a currency pair is likely to encounter buying support or selling resistance pressure. Hope you guys are getting it. Okay, this is an example of what we are talking about. As you can see here is a clear chart of support and resistance. The example of support and resistance. Here is the resistance, here is the resistance, and here is the support. And these are the key levels we are talking about. As you can see, when price goes to this resistance level, it bounces up. Here are the key levels. Here is a key level, and here is another key level. Here is a key level. Here is a key level, because this place also is also called a support and also a resistance. This is when support turns to resistance. So here is the rejection here, and another one here. So, and here is another one here, another rejection here. So here is another rejection. So this is an example of support and resistance key level on the chart. Alright guys, this is an example of key level in a trending market. As you can see, this is a clear downtrend. This is the lower low and the lower high, lower low, lower high, another low and another high, another low again and another high, another low again and another lower high and low. So this is not what we are looking for. The main thing we are looking for here is the main key level. As you can see, this is the first key level. When price touches this place, there is a reaction. There is a reaction. As you can see, another place again. There is a reaction here. This is another key level. When price goes to this place, it reacts and bounces off to the downside. It comes again and bounces off. So this is an example of key level in a downtrend market. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you a live example of this key level in a live market. I'm gonna take you to my live chart now to show you the real. Even today I even use this key level strategy to take a trade today. Don't worry, let me show you the next chart. Like I say, I will take you to my live screen Here is my live screen. Here is my live screen for the pair that I took trade today. It is on XA USD gold. We know it as gold. So with what we have discussed previously, we should know where key levels are. But for the sake of those who are still not yet understanding what we are talking about, in this chart now, this is a key level. This is a key level. We should go to the left side. There are places that price have significantly touched on this line, on the higher time frame. So when price goes to this level, you can see it reacts to the upside. And this is another key level here. When you go to this place, it reacts. This is another key level. I don't know if you guys are getting it. This is another key level. Another key level here. And when price goes to this place, it reacts. It comes to the downside. Here is another key level. When price goes to this place, it reacts and comes to the upside. So this is when this price goes to this place, I call this opportunity. Although it's not yet in profit. So there is a reaction here. As you can see, the price already broke this trend line. Look at this trend line. The price broke and retest this trend line. Don't worry, let's go to the lower time frame for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Alright, still not clear, but as you can see, price broke this trend line. It breaks and retests. So I entered. These are the key levels. Let's go to the 1 hour. Take the 1 hour. Yeah. So you can see the clear breakout. This is an uptrend. And this was a downtrend. When price got to this place, this key level, to this level, it reacts and comes to the downside. So I took this trade, I caught this trade here. So let's go to my entry time frame. As you can see, wow, as you can see here now, guys, here is the key level I'm talking about. When price goes to this point, it reacts. This place are places that we can take it for a potential trade. This place, these zones, these are key level. If you put if from like guys, I'm telling you this, from today on, if you start looking into these zones, if you start taking trade into the zone, I guess your win rates. I'm not saying that your past performance does not guarantee future performance, but at least your win rates will come up. When anytime price goes to this level, as you can see, it reacts always. It reacts. There is no kind of price will create go inside these zones that it does not react. So here is where I found this trade. As you can see, the price reacts here to this zone. So this was a break and the retest. So I wanted to enter this trade, but I said no. I want to see a clear that this market is falling. So when I saw the market was falling, so I have to enter and this. As you can see, the market went down and currently is retracing, but for now the market is still coming down. We are hoping for risk reward ratio 4 profits. Here is the first profit at this level. If the market can come to this level, we'll take our first profit. It can come to this level. As you can see, this is the key level. It can come to this level and react again to the upside, making us to lose, or it can go and come back and break this key level and we'll be looking to the next level. But before the next level, there's no nearest level for now. So this is our second take profit at this point. So this is what it is for. Yeah. For those who want my signal, I have a Telegram group. Although YouTube is not allowing my channel for people to click the link through and below where I used to drop the link. But if you want to join the link, you can go to Telegram and search BBC Trader. You will see the logo there. You can join. BBC where I post potential signal. You a good signal that you can use to grow your account. Yes. So